If you're encountering Cloud Save Error 2025 on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check Internet connection. Ensure your PlayStation 5 is connected to the Internet. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Test Internet Connection to verify that your connection is stable. Step 2. Restart your console. Power off your PlayStation 5 completely by holding the power button until it beeps twice. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Update system software. Navigate to Settings, then System, and select System Software. Check for updates and install any available updates to ensure your console is running the latest version. Step 4. Rebuild database. Turn off your PS5, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select Rebuild database from the Safe Mode menu. This process can help fix corrupted data. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the previous steps, visit the PlayStation support website for further assistance or to report the error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying your gaming experience.